Okay, cool. I'm recording it as well, just so that the VA we can share it with them later. Alright, so we're looking at which one do you reckon was the best? Cameras, photographic, mobile, computer? Cameras and photographic, should we have a look in there? Yeah. And now, new from top sellers. Okay, I think there's a way of looking at the shop size as well, isn't it? But then again, if you look at the shop size, I'm pretty sure that the larger shops would have their own store in it. Okay, so let's look from top sellers, maybe. The DLSR cameras compact. See, I'll just choose that first one. Okay, so it comes up in the best match. Let me just move this out of the way. So we've got the Canon. So we want buy it now only. This we can search by complete listings maybe to see who's actually sold it. Okay, so we want to look. Okay, so now the higher end ones I feel that would tend to have their own website, but let's just have a look at the first two and see if they've got their own website. So okay, so sellers other items. So see how many items they've got. So they've got 10,000. Okay, so they're big boys on eBay terms. Okay, contact. Okay, so let's go and have a look at delivery, payment, returns, links, about us. Okay, there. Okay, 2006. Let's see if we can find anywhere where they're talking about a website. So they have got one here. Just want to have a quick look. There's a reason why. Have they got all their 10,000 listings on there? It'd be useless if they didn't. For the SEO. Okay, cool. So let's go back. So that one's gone. So that was this first one. Let's just double check. Okay, Fuji camera. That one's gone. Next one, second down. FAQs. Contact about us again. Okay. More computers in 2010. So I presume that means that's the name of the website. More computers. What do you reckon? This bit here, highlighted. Okay, and if it's award winning, then it must be good. So that one's gone out the window. So should we maybe change the filter? Look at the ones who didn't sell it. Can we do that? Maybe the lowest price. Okay. Let's have a look at this first one anyway. About us, anything. Stop me if you see anything. God. Seem quite. Oh, okay, cool. Contact details. Laptop memory RAM at Gmail. So let's have a look. Google it. Let's type it in. I think I found one. Let's have a quick look how many items they've got. I think you can. So they sell reasonable amount, 800 items minimum in a month. 4 years. Seller's shop. 182 items, so they've got quite a bit. See what else. Seller managed shop. My eBay. Go back to there. View eBay My World. Has he done that? Okay, add to favorite shops. Target for website services and Excel file. Just create a Word document. Maybe it might be better in Excel, but we'll have a look at that later. Grab the link. What else would we need? Let's just go into one and pull off the contact details. So what I've took is the the browser link and then the business information from the contact us page, at the bottom. Anything else I need to take? Yeah, just a quick note. Top rated, 800 plus sold every month, and 850 items for sale. Save this document. Yes, direct. Okay, yeah, so target for website services via eBay 12 December, that sounds fine. Okay, so website lead generation 12 December. eBay lead generation. Okay. Me? You talking to me at Teeth or Jesse? No, I just sent a text saying someone at the door. Um, so are you looking at the screen share? Or are you still talking to Jesse? Okay. So this is like the Word document. Have a quick look. So I suppose they could put an Excel file. The Word Excel file would be better anyway, because then you can just add files at the end. You know, like email date, first email date, blah blah, who emailed, and just carry on. Which I use for tracking codes and stuff like that. So it's just one file updated every day, and it just got the date next to it. Okay, so let's have a look. This. So I'm gonna look at another one. I'm also recording this as well, by the way, so that the VA can see what we're doing. Okay. Oh, the other one you mean? Yeah, about your mobile. I suppose it's real world, isn't it? So. Huh? Oh, okay. This is a message to Marcus and the VA. As you notice that they are still regularly selling on eBay. As you can see, there's 64 feedbacks in the last month, and they've registered. They registered from the 15th of June 2012. In the last 6 months, they've sold 226. So they'll at the moment current items for sale. View items for sale. As I'm going on the right hand side of the screen, they don't have any, but they still be the candidate to contact them. So if we go back to completed listings by clicking there, you'll see that they've had 23 listings in the last 2 weeks. As you scroll down, you'll see all the items that sold or they haven't. Example, the one in red means it hasn't sold, and the ones in green has sold. So they've so here's the business information for the second. Second eBay seller. Here's a link. Here's the business information. Seller. Hello. Yeah. So we're back again. So I'm just taking the information down and seller ID here. eBay seller ID. So if you look at the screen sharing Marcus, you notice there's another person that would be suitable. I'm just taking the details down. Sold 60 plus items in last month. No current items for sale. However, sold 20 plus different items in last 2 weeks. So they would be perfect for us. Not too large, not too small, but active seller. Okay, so that's been saved again. Going back into eBay. This is for the recording as much as it is for our conversation. So if we scroll down, we had a look at this first one, and then let's have a look at the second one, VTech Kiddie Zoom. It's the same seller, so we obviously move on. The one below that, open another window. Okay, so this is a different seller, which is great. And items ended, see product details. If we click on that, and we see that it's new, it's showing you the revised listing for that particular seller. If we go down to the bottom and have a look at the business information, they do not seem to have a business, as they do not have their business name and their email. That's correct. Yeah, so just by the way, Marcus, is for the recording as well, so don't have to re-record it. So that information we added. Then we go back up, pull the link from the top as I'm doing now, bring it down just so we can find it quite easily. Put this data will actually be in the Excel file which was supplied to you. So this is for training purposes only. So in this conversation of at 10 minutes, we contact